Hi Mike, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Thank you for your interest in this particular Rav4 Hybrid XSE model. This is the one you put in a purchase request for online. I want to give you a walk around video of it and explain a few of the features to you that this one has in case you missed it reading about it on our website. This is the XSE Hybrid with the JBL sound system option, factory navigation, wireless charging, the weather package which gives you heated steering wheel, heated seats, and automatic windshield wipers. Factory navigation is included. You're also going to get 2 years of free factory maintenance that's good at any dealer, so that's a plus as well. Good looking rig. This blueprint color that is the main color on it is new for this year and has become very, very popular. I'll give you a little visual here on the inside. As you can see, I've got the heated steering wheel on. It has auto headlights and auto high beam headlights as well. Power driver seat, lots of room in the back, and the biggest thing about this that's so awesome, 42 miles per gallon. The only SUV in this class and size that can even touch that type of miles per gallon. So here it is. Let me know when you'd like to come in and see it. I'm at 253-394-0046 and look forward to hearing back from you and meeting you soon. Thanks, Mike.